Wow.
We had seen one before, going across the street.
Yeah, we have them in our yard all the time.
Wow.
This is a plane. Look at it. We got this is the Super Reader too. Yeah, that's the Super Reader plane. And this is the armor plane.
It's just kind of ironic we have the Christmas deer and the real deer.
Yeah, Brady thought that it would scare him away, but it hasn't worked, huh, Brady?
That is.
Get away, you! Get away!
Don't bang on the window, please.
Get away!
That's crazy.
Brady, the deer can't hear you, honey. And remember how when Mommy was telling you about when I walked right up to the car, it didn't even go away. So you're not scared of people anymore.
Maddie, leave it alone.
I wanted to get away from our house.
Nope, it's just eating.